Okay, this is on page 131, number 41. Don't forget, this right here tells you that if you're struggling with this problem, there's one just like it in the textbook on page 113, and they go through the question and the response to help you with this. Okay, so basically, I'm assuming you read it, they want you to draw the normal curve and put some points in there. Well, let me do that thing right now. Okay, I'm going to try to draw a normal curve. So, here we go. Something like this. Not great, but I'm going to stick with it. So, the mean is 69. So that's going to be right in the middle. And remember, we divide this into basically 3 standard deviations in either direction gives us almost all of our data, 99.7% of our data. So 2.5 inches, so let's add 2.5 inches to 69, that's going to go there, and then another 2.5, that's going to go there, and another 2.5, and that goes there. And then subtract 2.5, subtract 2.5, subtract 2.5, and that should give you the range of all of your men in the world, I guess. I don't know. What do they say? Oh, American men. Right there. It says right there. Okay, here we go. So there it is. And don't forget, this gives us 68% of Americans are between these two heights, approximately. 95 are between these two heights. And pretty much everybody is between those two heights. Like that. Okay. That's that one. Okay, this might get a little bit messy, but that's okay. Now, the question A asks what percent of men are taller than 74. So remember, from here to here is 95%, right? So we have 5% left over, which is split between these two tails, I guess they would say. So 2.5% here, 2.5% here, 2.5% there, 95% in the middle. So from here down this way, how much area is that? Well, we only have 2.5% left, so it's going to be, what is it? It's going to be, wait, what percent of men are taller? Read the question. Oh my gosh. Taller. 2.5%. There it is. 2.5% are taller than 74 inches. Okay, let's go to letter B. Ooh, what I did helps with letter B. Between what heights do the middle 95%? Right here, the middle 95% goes from 64 to 74. Okay, I'm going to let you struggle on letter C. What percent of men are between 64 and 60? So right here, what is this area in here? Now don't forget, from here to here is 68%, and from the outsides is 95%. What is that area right there? Ho ho, okay. And then letter D, height of 71.5. What is the percentile? So in this case, what we're thinking about is what is the area? What is it, 71? What is this area? All of this stuff. All of it. Okay? From there down, how much is it? Okay, we can talk about that in class tomorrow. But hopefully that gives you a little bit of a head start. So on number 45, they say, what if we looked at these two graphs? So look at this purple graph first. What is your estimate for the standard deviation? So for the purple graph, remember, we kind of have to divide this into 3 sections. Would it be this? Here to here to here? That might work. For the purple graph? Okay. So it looks like the standard deviation is about 0.4. I don't know if I got that right or not. But now let's take a look at the red graph. So again, I'm just going to estimate for the red graph. It goes all the way out to about, well, it's over 4 here, right? So something like this. We got to divide it into 3 equal sections. 1, 2, 3 equal sections with just a little tiny bit left over. And then you're going to estimate what that is. So 0.4, well, I don't know, 1.2? No. 1.5? Anyway, take a guess. What is that right there? Okay. So I looked at the answer key and I was wrong, but I was close because I'm just kind of estimating here. So, meh. And don't forget our new friend. Meow. Okay, bye.